Hey everybody, here is the painting from the Mallet Smash. It seems to go better if I show it over here, not as much glare. This is the one I tilted out, and at the end of the video I liked it, but I was still not quite sure about it. I love it. I love the colors. I love the movement. I'm very happy with it. I really like how it turned out. Today, I'm going to use colors that I used in the Twist and Swirl a couple videos ago. And I'm just going to do a flip cup. And I want kind of just a base of all these colors. This may be for collage, I'm not quite sure. I don't have any of these type colors in any of my collages. The collages are usually really like vivid colors like yellows and red and purple and blue. So it might be kind of interesting to add in some of these. One of my latest collages has some black in it, which adds kind of a deeper dimension. So anywho, we're going to use ARTEZA Pearl Deep Brown, ARTEZA Pearl Strawberry Red. I don't know what brand this is. This might be, I don't know. It says Pearl Gold Copper. Could be ARTEZA. Got ARTEZA Bordeaux Red and then a random gold. So let me just shake those up real fast. And you'll notice I'm wearing an apron, which I never do, but I really should. Because I am wearing workout clothes underneath here because I actually did a workout video. I'm so proud of myself. About 15 minutes into it, I almost said, bleep this, and walked away, but I didn't. I stuck with it even though it was horrible and I haven't worked out in years, but I stuck with it. But it sucked. And my husband is a basketball coach and he keeps talking to me like I'm his basketball girls, and he keeps saying, just get through the suck. Just get through the suck. So I'm trying to keep that in my head, just get through the suck. But I think there's just more suck at the end of the beginning suck. Pretty sure. And I wonder how many times I can say suck on this video. Hopefully not about this painting. So I'm just making a dirty flip kit. I may need to add more of that. I've got all these others are metallics except for that one. And too many metallics. I don't want too much metallic. And I'm looking at my other colors. Let's start with that because I can always add more. And I'm going to try and open my white. Make a puddle. I had ordered, well, I'm trying to find this thing in here. I've been using alcohol inks on my collages, but not like you're really supposed to use them. I'm using them more as kind of markers or paint. And I had ordered some on Amazon, and apparently UPS could not find our house. They were supposed to be here yesterday, which is a pain in the butt. My house can be either avenue or street, and sometimes I just can't find it. This is turning out pretty inside this. Check out that. If I hold it up, can you see better? That's so cool. It's gonna go away when I start tilting, I think. Whoa. This is the same white paint, just in a squeeze bottle. Just so maybe I won't have to tilt so much. Oh, it does. It definitely needs some tilting to separate. All of that gold kind of went together. I guess that's more of the brown. Keep hoping the more I tilt it out, it will separate on its own, but maybe not. All of those white cells popped up. And I'll just make it a swirly painting. Swirlies are good. Well, not the old-fashioned kind in the toilet. Swirlies and paint are good. Ooh, this is pretty. And I already torched it that once, so I'm not going to torch it again. That white to come down a little bit more. That's so pretty. I've got, you can see some of the white lacing. This side needs to, I'm going to do a hard tilt. Hang on. That made it really pretty down here. It's interesting. The brown with the others ends up fairly greenish looking, but it still goes, it all goes together. I like it. And as I'm sitting here, more lacing is coming through. There's lacing going in through here. Get the camera closer so you can see. So there it is as a whole. Thank you so much for watching. This one's really pretty, so I don't know if I'll cut it up or not. It's pretty cool looking. So this one may get to live. We'll see. So thanks again, and I will catch you next time. Bye.